Welcome to this week's Market Outlook. You're here with your host, Pastor Pips. And today we're going to have a look at some charts, see what's ahead for the week. And yeah, without further ado, make sure, guys, to, of course, check out www.litcapital.co.uk and check out what we offer: mentoring, trading tools, technical analysis, mindset training, live streams, and of course, risk management. If this all sounds appealing to you, do request a call back. Of course, just fill out this table here, put your name, email, subject, phone number, and message, and of course, hit submit. And someone from the team will hit you up promptly. Now, as we always do, let's of course head straight over to first, of course, the economic calendar. Monday, we do have core durable goods for the dollar with pending home sales. That will be it for Monday. Moving on to Tuesday, we have retail sales for the Aussie, GDP for the CAD, and of course, consumer confidence for the dollar. Wednesday, we do have South Korea Independence Day. So, of course, those that are trading JPY, and of course, some of the Asian pairs, of course, do take that into account. Next, coming in still in the early hours of Wednesday, we have GDP for the Aussie for Q4. We have manufacturing PMI for China. Swiftly on, we have German PMI, German unemployment change for the euro. We got manufacturing PMI with Governor Bailey speaking also a little bit later. At 1 o'clock, we have German CPI with some more PMI, but this time round for the dollar. And of course, as we do on a Wednesday, some crude oil inventories. Thursday, we have CPI for the euro with the monetary policy meeting minutes. And to finish off the day, we have initial jobless claims for the dollar. Coming on Friday to finish off the week, we have composite PMI and services PMI for the pound, and one more non-manufacturing PMI for the dollar to end out the week. Now, what is very interesting is the fact that we don't have PMI, or sorry, we don't have NFP, apologies, for the first Friday of the month. It has in fact been pushed back to next week, so we definitely will still have NFP. Don't worry too much about that. But yeah, it definitely looks like the market is going to heat up around Tuesday to Wednesday. That's when we have most of the high impact news coming out. But other than that, let's head straight over to the charts. Okay, so I am going to start today with the dollar. Now, of course, when we do look at the dollar and see the price action that we had recently across the week, we did see dollar expand higher. Was looking for some shorts around 50% of this daily candle here. We did actually push down lower, especially when I head down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we did push down lower quite significantly. However, the market started to reprice higher. Okay, we failed to actually make a new lower low, of course, after coming down on the 1 hour time frame, and we continue to push higher and higher and higher, which is absolutely a-okay. When we head back up to the daily area, looking for areas of liquidity where price may potentially want to or will head up to take them out, I am looking at the high of this daily candle here and this wick, which is 105.631. I would also like to see the market push up a little bit higher above this daily high here, which is 105.822. If we can actually get prices pushing up higher into this area or pushing above these areas, I'd feel a lot more confident about potentially getting a retracement. But right now, the direction looks very certain to head up for those highs. If we do come down to the half hour, just to start the week, we may actually get prices retracing a little bit lower. The areas that stand out to me would be this half hour candle here. Okay, and these two half an hour candles here, which are sitting directly below those equal lows marked out there. So these are the two areas that interest me, and we'll be keeping a very, very close eye on these price levels. If I just stretch this out a little bit, we've got a little bit of imbalance sitting inside of this area as well, which definitely adds to our analysis. Okay, cool. With that being done, let's head over to some currencies. I'm going to go through cable with you guys, pound dollar. Now, looking at pound dollar, in terms of what we were looking for last week, played out beautifully. Now, we haven't actually priced lower and made a new lower low on the daily. However, we do, well, we're basically there and we are on our way. Now, we wanted price to push up into this daily imbalance here to then give us a short coming down lower. We were able to catch a 1% move in the community before price, of course, gave one more push up right here. The short was right here. Okay. Came down, took out that 15-minute low. We had one more push up for the highs to grab that high, take out the liquidity. And from then on, price in the market just absolutely folded lower. So I am continuing to, of course, push on with the shorts and looking for lower prices. I would definitely like to see price come beneath this low, even if we don't, of course, take out this daily candle here. I would definitely like to see price at some point during this week take out this low here, which is 1.18414. Okay. Now, I'm not too sure when price will take out this daily low. Realistically, when I do look at the hour time frame, yes, the market can actually push up into this 1 hour imbalance sitting up here. There's also a potential, well, there's a chance that market can actually head up higher to 1.20421. Now, the pound has been quite strong, even though the dollar's also been quite strong. The pound has kind of been holding its own. It hasn't given us that collapse to the lower room, hasn't given us that parabolic shift lower. The pound has been holding its own, which is absolutely a-okay. However, with that being said, I would like to see price push up higher. And the main area that I do see is this 1 hour imbalance here. Yes, we can come out and take out this 1 hour / 4 hour high here. Grab that liquidity first before looking for some shorts. However, I do believe that this 15-minute, 5-minute area and the 1 hour imbalance that's sitting here is a lot more likely to, of course, give us some sort of sell. But other than that, we kind of have to wait to see how the market kind of opens up and what kind of picture that we're getting from the current moves in order for us to ascertain what to do next. Now, I'm going to finish off with the S&P. Now, with the S&P on the daily, we have, of course, hit this daily candle here. And realistically, I'm not surprised by the sharp return that we have seen, especially when we go back to the 1 hour with prices heading up higher. Now, I would not be surprised if we do actually push a little bit higher into this daily area. I would not like to see that, of course. I want to see prices continue to reprice down lower towards 50% of this candle here. And also this area of mitigation I've got marked out here. Okay. Now, it'll be interesting to see whether we can actually take out this daily candle's low to then, of course, target this daily candle low, which is 3901.75. Right now, the picture is not giving us anything, whether it's longs or shorts. We've just got to wait. We've got to wait, let the market print out a picture before we can capitalize on the move. But other than that, guys, that is it from me. Now, of course, if you like more pairs, more analysis, make sure to, of course, check out www.litcapital.co.uk. And let's not forget, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. We do have a new Pip Talk pardon me. We do have a new Pip Talk podcast out. That's a tongue twister right there. Which went live not too long ago. So guys, make sure to also give that a watch, of course, after watching this one through. But with that being said, you know the vibes. It's lit side. Remember, every day is money day. Peace.